Hello everyone and welcome to Odd Bonsai. My name is Stefan and today we are going to discuss about using the IKEA Snuda Lazy Susan as a tabletop bonsai turntable.
I needed a turntable to make working on bonsai easier, so when I saw this one at IKEA, I bought it to find the pros and cons of using it for bonsai work. A first pro is that it is built out of solid wood, most likely fir or pine, judging from its look and how soft it is. According to the IKEA webpage, the wood surfaces have a clear lacquer finish. While it's good that the wood has some kind of protection, lacquer might not prove to be an ideal finish on the long run, so I see it as a downside when compared to the waterproof plastic or rubber top turntables. When working with bonsai, work surfaces often enter in direct contact with water or wet soil, which will probably affect the lacquer finish in time. So periodic maintenance will be required. Another issue with the lacquer finish is that the working surface is slippery, especially when wet. Luckily, this can be easily fixed by using a rubber or silicone mat. The base is fitted with a rubber anti-slip ring, which would probably come in handy when working with small, lightweight bonsai. So another plus here for the anti-slip base. The Snuda Lazy Susan has a height of 4 cm or 1.5 inches. It is comparable by size to some of the large tabletop bonsai work tables with its 39 cm or 15 inch diameter, providing a good size working surface. According to IKEA's website, the maximum supported weight is 12 kg or 26 pounds and 7 ounces. Okay, now, how much is 12 kg? Is it enough for bonsai work? Here are some examples that I tried out. 12 kg is about the weight of 12 liters of water, or a 109 liter sack of expanded dry perlite, or 9.2 liters of normal dry potting soil, or the average weight of a 24-month-old child, give or take a few months, or about 24 liters of pumice, or 21 liters of dry medium-grain akadama. To make the long story short, it should be good enough for working on small to medium-sized bonsai. In terms of stability, the Snuda can be a bit wobbly when loaded with unevenly centered heavy pots because it uses a small diameter Lazy Susan bearing. The cheap plastic turntables used by many beginner bonsai enthusiasts are better designed in this regard and use bearing balls which are evenly distributed across the surface. Nevertheless, they are known to be flimsy due to the thin plastic used in their construction. Price-wise, the Snuda fits in the cheap turntable group at $13 US. So let's recap. On the downside, the Snuda is not waterproof and doesn't have an anti-slip working surface. It's a bit wobbly with heavy uncentered loads and cannot be used for large bonsai. On the good side, however, it has a solid wood build with a good sized work surface and an anti-slip base. It's suitable for small to medium-sized bonsai and is cheap. All in all, in my opinion, the Snuda is a good low-cost bonsai turntable alternative for working with small to medium-sized bonsai, considering that its intended use is for serving food. If you're already using the Snuda or plan on using it for bonsai work, I would love to know your opinion, so let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, please consider subscribing if you like to see more videos like this. This was all for this video on the IKEA alternative to a bonsai turntable. Thank you for watching and see you next time.